Let us now take a new subtopic, Guiding Values of the Indian Constitution. In this book, we shall study the exact provisions of the Constitution on different subjects. At this stage, let us begin by understanding the philosophy of what our Constitution is all about. We can do this in two ways. We can understand it by reading the views of some of our major leaders on our Constitution. But it is important to read what the Constitution says about its own philosophy. This is what the preamble of the Constitution does. Preamble means the introduction to the Constitution. So here in this preamble to the Constitution, we can understand what the philosophy of our Constitution is all about. Let us turn to these one by one. The dream and the promise. Some of you must have noticed that there are some names of some leaders missing in the Constitution. Mahatma Gandhi was not a member of the Constituent Assembly, yet there were many members who followed his vision. Years ago, writing in his magazine Young India in 1931, he had spelt out what he wants the Indian Constitution to be like. The dream of an India that has eliminated inequality was shared by Dr. Ambedkar, who played the key role in the making of the Constitution. That means here we learn that Dr. Ambedkar was the person who was very much responsible for the making of our Indian Constitution. But he had a different understanding of how inequalities could be removed. Ambedkar often criticized Mahatma Gandhi and his visions. In his concluding speech to the Constituent Assembly, he stated his anxiety very clearly. He stated his anxiety means he shared his worries very clearly. On the 26th of January 1950, he said, "We are going to enter a life of contradictions." Here, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is trying to say that we will be entering a life of a lot of differences. He said that we will have equality in politics, but in social and economic life, there will be a lot of inequality. He said, in politics, we will be following the principle of one man, one vote, and one vote, one value. But he says, in the social and economic life, we will not be having or we will not be sharing the principle of one man, one value. He asked, how long are we going to continue to live with these contradictions? Let us now talk about the philosophy of our Constitution. Let us read the preamble of our Constitution and understand the meaning of the key words. The preamble of the Indian Constitution reads as a poem on democracy. It contains the philosophy on which the entire Constitution is built. It provides a standard to evaluate and examine any law and action of the government to find out whether it is good or bad. The preamble is the soul of the Indian Constitution. Values that guided and inspired the freedom struggle were nurtured by it. This formed the foundation for India's democracy. These values are embedded in the Indian Constitution. Embedded means they are instilled in the Indian Constitution, or we can say they are a part of the Indian Constitution. They guide all the articles of the Indian Constitution. There are so many articles in the Indian Constitution. Articles means there are so many rules and regulations that are written in the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution begins with a short statement of its basic values. These basic values is known as the preamble or the introduction to the Constitution. Taking inspiration from the American model, most of the countries in the world have started or have begun their constitution with a preamble.